Hello everyone, thank you to stop by to watch my video. Let me introduce myself to you. I'm Poppy, I'm a YouTuber. I live in New York and this is my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe on Spices Lovers. Spices Lovers is about spices and cooking, recipe, everything about spices, and you're gonna love it. Question of the day. Don't forget to put the comment about your answer of question of the day, and don't forget also to click like. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe. Adios.